What is the perimeter of rectangle KLMN to the nearest hundredth? What we have given first? We have given the angle MKL LKM, the measure of the angle is 30 degrees. So there's the diagonal KM is 18. Segment is 18 units. And we have that KLM is rectangle. It means that side KL is congruent to NM and LM is congruent to KN. And the angles of our rectangle are right angles. So we have here also right angle, we can write. And here and there. And angle K is also right angle. So now we have to find the perimeter. To find the perimeter, we have to find the side KL. When we have KL, we will have NM. And side LM, when we have LM, we will have KN also. So the perimeter, we can write that this is 2 times side KL plus 2 times side LM. Segment. Because we have here right triangle, we will use trigonometric functions to find the measure of KL and LM. First, we will use sine of 30 degrees. What it is length of leg, which is opposite our angle, to length of hypotenuse. So this is length of leg opposite to our angle 30 degrees over the length of hypotenuse. So this is equal length of opposite side to angle 30 degrees is LM. So we have LM over length of hypotenuse is 18. So we can write that sine of 30 degrees, this is LM over 18. Our unknown is LM, so now I will multiply both sides by 18 to reduce the numerator. 18 and 18 we can reduce, and we have that LM is 18 times sine of 30 degrees. So this is equal 18 times 1/2. Sine of 30 is 1/2, so this is equal 9. We have length of LM, so NK, KN is the same. So now we will find the length of KL. We will use trigonometric function cosine of 30 degrees. This is equal, in numerator we have length of leg adjacent to our given angle, angle 30 degrees, and in the numerator we have length of hypotenuse. So this is equal, this is our KL, length of leg adjacent to the angle 30 degrees. KL, this is, and hypotenuse is given, 18. So we can rewrite this one more time. We have cosine of 30 degrees. This is equal KL over 18. We will multiply both sides by 18 to reduce the numerator. And we have that KL is equal 18 times cosine 30 degrees. So this is equal, we can use calculator, 18 times cosine 30 degrees. So this is equal 15.588 we have, and because we have to round to the nearest hundredth our solution, so we need 3 digits after decimal point. We underline hundredth. Because we have digits greater than 5, we have to add 1 to our underlined digits. So this is equal 15.59 units. We have now all sides which we need to calculate our perimeter. Perimeter is 2 times segment KL, side KL, plus 2 times segment LM. So this is equal, we have that LM is 9, so we have 2 times 9 plus 2 times KL, we calculate as 15.59. 15.59. It doesn't matter if we write first this expression or that, the answer will be the same. So this is equal, 2 times 9 is 18, and we have 2 times 15.59 plus 18, so this is 49.18. units. This is my solution.